This is Nail Driven LLC doing a tutorial video for Map for Disney World Lite. This is the free version that just gives you the Epcot map, so we wanted to give you something that you can try out, see if you like the app, and then you can purchase the full version if you like it. Right now when you first land on this page, you have a little tip screen here that tells you where different things are. You can tap it and it goes away. We try to be pretty obvious that this is sort of the screen of the full version with the other parks grayed out. Right now you only have Epcot that works. Again, this is the free version. We wanted to give the full functionality of Epcot away, so that way you could try it, you could see if you like it, and then if you like it, you can purchase the full version. So right now you can hit Try Me. That's the only one that actually takes you into a map. The other ones will take you to if you want to purchase or if you want to just view the Epcot map. So let's say we're going to view the Epcot map, and it drops you here. Again, we have tips enabled, so we can tap anywhere to get rid of these tips and read through them, and it helps you understand. But if you're watching the video, you'll probably get a good idea. Let's start. I'm going to go back one just to show you these buttons here. You have settings and exit. Our settings button here, you can turn on ride times. That's important if you care about ride times. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the tutorial tips. Here you can pick what type of map you like. Street, satellite, or cartoon. We're going to stay on cartoon. Hit back. And exit will exit the map, or the app. We're going to go into Epcot. We'll start with these turned off here. Let's see how easy it was to turn on rides, dining, and bathrooms. Very easy to turn them off and on. Top left, you have a menu button. You can find something, you can change your map type, cartoon, street, and satellite inside a map, and you can clear a highlighted attraction that you've found before, and then you can get back. And then at the top you have 5 icons, little buttons here. You have shopping, you have sort of an informational icon that will turn on all your FastPass Plus kiosks along with your smoking areas, along with just information about the different lands. And then you have the ride icon, that'll turn on all the rides and ride times. You have dining, it'll turn on where all the restaurants are, and then you have restrooms, all important when you have kids, know where the nearest restroom is. So if you're in the park, I'm going to hold down and pretend I'm there. If you're in the park, you'll see wherever you are a little icon like this, totally based on your GPS location. So if your phone has bad GPS, it might not show you in the right spot, but if it has good GPS, then it'll show you right where you're at. And then you can tell where the nearest bathroom is. If you want to find a ride, let's say, hey, I don't know where Test Track is, and I want to go the right direction. You can hit the menu and find something. You're going to find rides and locations. You're going to look for Test Track. Test Track is down here. There we go. It zooms over, highlights it with the red circle, and tells you where Test Track is. Test Track is 70 minutes right now. Gives you information like how high you have to be, whether it's FastPass Plus enabled, and then a short description about it. And then you can say, okay, well, I'm here. It's there. I need to go that way. Pretty easy. And very convenient, especially if you don't want to go the wrong direction around World Showcase, for instance. If you don't know where, where Japan is, you can find Japan. Here, I'm not actually sure which one that is, so let's look, find something. We're going to look for general locations. We're going to find Japan. There's Japan. So if I would have went that direction around, I would have taken longer, so you want to go that one. Things like that, very easy to help when maybe you get that Perry adventure and you don't want to go the wrong way like I did one time and walked all the way around that direction to get into China, which is over here. So that is it. You turn these on and off real easy, very nice, very easy to just toggle which ones you want on. Doesn't matter, you can toggle all of them on. If you want the map to look kind of a little crazy, you can toggle them off. You can turn on and off the cartoon map. You can get your locations of where things are in vicinity to where you are. If you want to get rid of that highlight down there, you just hit that menu and you say clear highlight, and there it goes. Okay. If you have any questions, please email us, naildrivenllc@gmail.com. Support@androidmickey.com also works, and we would love to answer any questions you have. This is a free app with the sole purpose of enjoying it at Epcot. It has all the functionality for Epcot, and then if you like it, if you find it useful, then purchase the full one. And again, from the menu here, you can just hit purchase, and that'll take you right to the full one in Google Play. And then if you want to purchase, then you can purchase it. Hitting the button doesn't do an automatic purchase or anything. It just takes you to to the Google Play Store. So you can go check that full one out. We also have a video on the full one if you want to see that too. Thank you very much.